Hi, in this video I'd like to give you an overview of what photogrammetry is, how you can use it and how it compares to alternative methods. So photogrammetry is the technology and the process of extracting and reconstructing 3D information from a series of still images. So if you think of it as a black box, you put a whole bunch of photos in and effectively you get 3D fully textured models out. So let's just take a look at a lightning quick example. I'm just opening up a reality capture here and I'll show you the photos first. So here you can see a whole bunch of photos. I think this was about 350, so this is the input. This is what we plug into the software. So here is the first level of output. This is a point cloud, just a series of dots with some color information. Then here we've got the second level of output. So this is the 3D mesh model that's been reconstructed. And here we've got the third level. So this is the point clouds converted into mesh and with a high resolution texture applied over the top. We can then explore this at ground level in first person mode to give you a bit of a feel for what the final thing looks like. Here is the scene as it was exported from reality capture, and here we've got the clean remeshed geometry, just focusing on the aspects that we're interested in. So we've gone from millions of polygons to thousands, low thousands. So what we end up with is a clean, lightweight version of the environment which can be exported for use in whatever 3D workflow is most appropriate for your project or your organization. In this example we can see the output in SketchUp, but the real advantage of this workflow is in real-time rendering solutions such as AR, VR and 3D model viewers for your websites, just to name a few. While photogrammetry can't offer the same level of consistent millimeter accuracy as a laser scanner, it makes up for this in affordability, versatility and visual detail. Apple's LiDAR devices also offer this kind of versatility and affordability, however, using them to get an equivalent level of detail at the same scale would be a challenge. So this was something of an executive summary of just one of the tools in our arsenal at Stainless Reality. More videos will follow in due course, but in the meantime, if there's any particular topic or subject that you'd like me to tackle first, then by all means, let me know.